I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow lava. Start with the core ingredients for delicious marshmallow lava. You'll need 1 bag of large marshmallows, about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and your favorite food coloring. This simple combination creates a vibrant, gooey treat perfect for any occasion. Ensure your bowl is microwave safe and large enough to hold all the melted goodness. We're aiming for a smooth, flowing texture that's easy to work with. Now let's get melting. Combine your marshmallows and butter in the microwave-safe bowl. Heat them on high for 30 seconds, then stir thoroughly. Repeat this process, heating and stirring, until the mixture is completely smooth and free of lumps. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes in total. The goal is a perfectly pourable consistency, ready for the next step. Time to add some personality to your lava. Once melted, incorporate your chosen gel food coloring. Start with a few drops and stir until the color is uniform and vibrant. For an extra layer of taste, you can also mix in about 1/2 teaspoon of a flavor extract, like vanilla or almond. This step allows for endless creative possibilities, making your marshmallow lava truly unique and delicious. Your marshmallow lava is now ready to impress. This warm, gooey creation is incredibly versatile. Drizzle it generously over brownies, cupcakes, or even a scoop of ice cream for an instant upgrade. It also makes a fantastic dip for fresh fruit, cookies, or graham crackers. Remember, marshmallow lava is best enjoyed while it's still warm and wonderfully pliable. Get creative and have fun with your delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.